Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's learn how to recite the Ta'awudh correctly. Also, we will learn 10 rules of Tajweed in this video, insha'Allah. Let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Now we will learn 10 rules of Tajweed in Ta'awudh. Rule number 1. Short vowels like Fatha, Dhamma and Kasra are prolonged only for 1 second. Rule number 2. Long vowels like Alif, Vaw and Ya are prolonged for 2 seconds. Ru, Dhu. Now you can see here that will be pronounced only for 1 second, whereas because we have Waw here and before Waw we have Dhamma, so we prolong it for 2 seconds. Ru, and here we have only one Dhamma, so we pronounce it only for 1 second. A'udhu. Now, if you prolong it and you make it dhu, that will be a mistake. A'udhu. Rule number 3. Billahi. When the word Allah has kasra before it, pronounce it light. What does that mean to pronounce it light? When we normally pronounce the word Allah, we pronounce it heavy. The lam is heavy. For example, we say Allah. But when we have kasra before it, then we pronounce it light. For example, billah, a'udhu billah. Rule number 4, minash shay. Now, if you see here, after al, we have tashdeed. Any word in the Quran, whenever you see tashdeed after al will not be pronounced. It will be minash shay. And rule number 5, if you see here, Sheen will be pronounced twice because of Tashdeed. So it will be minash shay, minash shay. Rule number 6, Ya will be pronounced softly. It's called Ya layyina, aqal min harkatain. So whenever Ya has fatha before it, it gives the sound of I, like we have I in English language. So it becomes shay, shay, shay. Next we have rule number 7. Ta will be pronounced heavily. It's called tafkhim in Arabic. There are like 6 letters in Arabic language. Ta is one of them that are pronounced heavily. It will be ta. Rule number 8. When ra has fatha on it, we pronounce it heavily. من الشيطان الرا. Ra will be heavy. Nirra. Rule number 9. Ya will be prolonged for 2 to 4 seconds when stopped. Ar-Rajim. You can prolong it for 2 seconds. Ar-Rajim. And you can prolong it up to 4 seconds. Ar-Rajim. Rule number 10. Kasra will not be pronounced in case of stop. Waqf. Now we can see that there is a kasra over here, but when we stop, it will not be pronounced. So if you continue, then it will be ar-rajimi, and then after that, Bismillah, and then you can continue. But when you stop, then kasra will not be pronounced. So now you can see here that only in Ta'awudh we have learned 10 rules of the Tajweed. Now, since you have learned the rules of 10 rules of Tajweed, I would like you to implement these rules while reciting the Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.